Hey, I'm Michael Stewart. I'm one of the principal owners here at Security Solutions, and joining me today is Matt Bryant, who's our Director of Technology. He also is our outside sales guy for the Georgia territory. But we want to show you a new product from Camden Controls. It's a SureWave product. It's actually designed for the access control market. The great part about this is that I think in the current economic climate that we have, many of our end users are looking for solutions where they don't necessarily have to touch a physical button, which is very common in the access control market. So there's a couple different varieties of that. We're going to go over those with Matt, but this is a product we think will help not only our integrators, but the end users out there that are doing these installs. So Matt, what do you think about this one?
So it's definitely a great product to really help solve a big issue that a lot of our dealers are facing. Obviously, with COVID and everything that's going on right now, there's a big demand for trying to have that contactless approach to certain devices, so they don't have to worry about cleaning them and sterilizing them. They want to have a safe environment and also improve the ease of use for their customers, and really help out for ADA compliancy to make it easier for people with disabilities as well. Right. So these SureWave products give us a lot of options for that. A couple of the big things that we can do with these, we have multiple different options on there. So we have anything from a single gang option like this. We also have a narrow mullion style. We also have a 6-inch round ADA. Within each of those styles, we have different ranges as well. So if you want to go anything from a 1-inch to a 30-inch, we have different read ranges. This is an option that will help us go a little bit further.
So this unit is the long ring rate?
This is not the longest, but it is a longer read range than what you have right there.
So this one is a shorter one, right? So
it'll be a shorter read range.
But I still don't have to touch the unit. I'm still close to the unit.
Correct. So it's still a contactless. This just gives us a little bit longer option. We also have options for wireless transmission. So if they can't retrofit a wire in there, we have a wireless TX99 transmitter that can go in here, be battery powered as well. So we can transmit that signal contact closure wirelessly, so we don't have to pull new wires for it. We have a lithium option on here as well. So if you have a colder environment, so anything less than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, we would suggest using the lithium, as they would hold up better in that atmosphere. Lifespan on the batteries is typically 2 to 4 years, depending upon use. So, within that range, obviously you would want to make service calls to help replace those batteries if needed. We have a couple different options on there for customizable verbiage. So if you want to change what information is actually on this faceplate, we can.
So this one, excuse me for cutting you off there, but this one says wave to open. So I guess you can customize what this says on it.
We can do wave to close. We can just do wave. We can have different logos on there, so there's different options depending upon what the need is for the client.
Okay.
It's a really great product that really helps out a lot of different applications. So depending upon what your need is, we can help you choose the right product. So that's just getting with your SSI rep, and we can help pick the right one.
Yeah, and I think the big thing for you is that as we continue down this path, I mean, we're sitting in a pandemic right now that many of the access control jobs that you're going to have, your customer base is going to be asking for this. They're just not going to want to touch a button any longer. And these options are available. So any of the stuff that we have talked about today, you can find that on touchlesswave.com, which is the SureWave website for Camden. And then any of the products that you see on our YouTube channel, you can find it at ssireps.com. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way, anytime we produce new content, you'll get it first. Thanks.